Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-Star owners using Kentucky's UST database. So I wanted to start by talking about this resource. It's a blog post on Convenience Talk. What it has is a list of all the UST databases, and it's organized by state. So if we go down to Kentucky and we press on this link, we would end up on this site. And you can see there's a lot of different types of documents that can be downloaded. And this is actually the one I downloaded, which is the UST statewide database report. This report I also downloaded, but for a different purpose. This is the public record, which is just a summary of what's gone on in terms of underground storage tanks. So there's no contact detail or anything like that in it. So when I opened up the statewide database report and Google Docs, and I applied a filter, and applying the filter would happen up here. What's great about this database is that you can sort it by type of company, and so this is by retail, and you can see there's a NAICS code over here, which is 447, which stands for gas stations. There's another NAICS code, which is 445120, which is convenience stores, but most of your data will fall within this, and they don't really separate that second code out in terms of other retail establishments. So I'm just going for this one. So you'll get a lot of good information. You'll get the site name, and then you'll also get the ownership name on this side. Oops, there we go. Ownership name here. And then of course you have the address information over here. That's it for Kentucky. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.